Hello guys, in the previous video I've given you this small introduction of different window. Now in this video we are going to look project window in detail, so let's get started. So the project window is a kind of container that contains your videos, audios and so on. Okay, now let me import one video. If you look closely, you can see your video details here. First of all, it is showing your video name, and here you can see your video frame rate. Now what is frame rate? Basically one frame means one picture. If your video is made on 25 fps, then it means that your video shows 25 pictures per second. And here you can see your media start and end duration. You can see your total media duration, which is 17 seconds, and these are your time codes. Now it is showing video in point and out point, which we haven't set. So after that you can see video info, where you can see 1920 by 1080 pixels. Now 1920 is your width and 1080 is your height, which shows this is full HD video. Now here you can see the quality of your audio. So these are your video details. And another important thing, that we can easily organize our video and audios, which makes our work easier. If you are working on big projects, then you must need to organize your files so that it won't be messed up. So to organize your files, we are going to create separate folders for our videos and audios. Just right click on your mouse and choose new bin, which provides you an empty folder where you can set your files properly. Now just drag and drop your videos or audios to our bin. This becomes helpful when you are using many footages or audios. Now if you look into the bottom left, you can set your files to icon view, which shows a preview of your files, where you can't see the preview of your videos if you set it to list view. Also you can set it to freeform view, where you can place your footages wherever you like. Now here is a small zoom tool that allows you to zoom your footages for a clear view. Now you can see a small pencil icon in the bottom left corner, which allows you to lock your files and footages. It becomes so much useful when you are copying something and at the same time you don't want to mess up your files. When it is locked, then it will be in a read-only mode, where you can't edit or delete your files or folders. Now you can see automate to sequence and new item, which we will be learning in future videos. And here is a small search button to search your files, and next to it there is a delete button to delete your video or audio files. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys have learned something. In the next video we will be looking into the source window in detail. So this is Tricky for you, and Adobe is signing out.